PSA Collector.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with PSAcollector.com, back with another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be breaking open the 1992-93 Topps Archives basketball box. Okay, now if you've seen these online, it's kind of confusing to know that's a 92-93 Topps Archives base basketball box because it says 81-91, and that's just the designs that it's covering. So this is a 92-93 Topps Archives basketball box, guys. It's the non-gold version. However, the prices of these cards, the Jordan cards in here, are slowly going up. Now, I opened up a 1992-93 Topps Gold Archives little box a while ago. I have that Michael Jordan at PSA getting graded right now, so I'm super excited to see what that gets. I sent a bunch of other ones in there as well. I think the Dennis Rodman, the Charles Barkley, the John Stockton. Super excited to get those back. So there are numerous Michael Jordan base cards that I can pull out of this set. Numerous. I saw a video on YouTube where a guy pulled 3 of them, and if I submit those to PSA, guys, and they come back 10s, huge return on investment, because I'm picking these boxes up for around $45 to $50 right now. If there are 3 Jordans in the box, that's going to pay for itself. On top of that, there's tons of other Hall of Fame players in here. The Charles Barkley, John Stockton, Karl Malone, Dennis Rodman, Hakeem Olajuwon. The list goes on and on, guys, and those cards are slowly picking up in value. Why? It's the first Topps basketball set to be released in the 90s, okay? So there's a 1992 Topps base set, and then the Topps Archives is the other set. So there are no 1990, 1991 Topps cards. It starts with 1992, guys. This is the first Jordan card, one of his first Topps cards, okay? Now, guys, a PSA 10 Michael Jordan Topps Archives card sold for $202 at auction, okay? A PSA 9, they're selling for around $50. Other players graded PSA 10 condition are getting more and more attention as well. It's the first 1992 Topps Archives set, guys. I think this set is going to go up in value. I think these boxes are incredibly undervalued right now. There are a lot of them on eBay. I've been picking them up in lots, $50 a piece. You can't go wrong. It's a fun break. It's a fun rip, guys. So I said $50. Let's do it. Let's open up and see how many Michael Jordan cards I get and how many other Hall of Fame players I get that could potentially be PSA candidates. So I'm super excited to open this up, share it with you guys. Without any further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this break. $50 a box. Not bad, guys. I think that's a great deal. There's potentially numerous Michael Jordan cards to pull out of here. I'm hoping they don't stick together. From what I saw on other YouTube videos, they weren't too bad. So that's what the packs look like. Look like old Stadium Club packs. We'll go ahead and do 2 stacks. 2 stacks. So I'm gonna be very gentle with this at first. I haven't opened any of these boxes yet. So this is a little bit of a learning curve. I'm just going to be gentle and open it like a grandmother. Let's see here. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay. So there's a little bit of sticking going on. You can see there's some surface damage on that card from the wax wrapper. As I peel them, there's not any surface damage really coming off on these cards, so I don't feel the need to go get the hair dryer like you guys commented in my other video, or put these in the refrigerator or freezer for an hour. We'll see though. If I do see surface coming off, then I'll go ahead and, here's a nice looking Isaiah Thomas. I'll go ahead and get the hair dryer out. Not bad, not bad. The centering is off top to bottom on that one. Percy Hawkins. Cool. Love these designs. Now, Topps didn't make 1986 or 1984 basketball cards, or 85 or 87 or 88 or 89. So they stole these designs, or not stole, they used these designs from the baseball sets. Topps did. Which I think is pretty cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a bend. Oh, that's cool. Patrick Ewing. Just gonna give it a nice quick bend. See if that does anything. A little bit better. There was a Patrick Ewing, draft picks. So there's no inserts. Oh, there's back to back. Really? I guess if you want to call this is an insert. The draft picks, like I was saying, awesome designs from the Topps baseball cards. 80s. Tim Hardaway, Sr. I like the wood grain designs as well. From the 1987 Topps. It's James Worthy. Off center. Dominique Wilkins. Patrick Ewing. Nice looking Patrick Ewing. Base. Ooh, there's a nice looking Charles Barkley too. So these cards, pretty good. I like they're glossy on the front and the back. This corner has a bend in it. A little bit of a bend. Still gonna sleeve him up. One of my favorite, I guess, base set cards that Charles Barkley designed, the 84 Topps. There's a Patrick Ewing. Looks pretty good. From the 1981 Topps, I believe. Hakeem Olajuwon, nice. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, that corner's kind of bent. So I'm hoping to pull at least 2 Jordans out of here. We'll see though. And get my $50 back. Because I think that there's some value in these Jordans because they're from 1992, the first year Topps started making basketball cards. Ooh, there's a John Stockton. Now, I don't think the Shaquille O'Neal rookie card is in here. I think the Shaquille O'Neal rookie card is in the Topps gold set only. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I've looked and I couldn't find any non-Topps Archives Gold Shaq rookie cards. They were all Topps Gold, the gold version. So here's a 1984 design, John Stockton. There's a cool looking Reggie Miller. James Worthy, Hall of Fame. These cards, I think, a lot of them look off center, top to bottom. David Robinson. Hakeem Olajuwon. Pretty cool. 1984 design. Now guys, like I said, this is essentially a test run with all these boxes. I bought a bunch of them. I think I bought like 6. So I wanted to open one up and see, is it necessary? Do I have to put them in the refrigerator like you guys recommended in my other video? Do I have to have a hair dryer ready just in case they're sticking too bad? But so far, I think they're looking pretty good. Ooh, nice looking Dennis Rodman. Oh, I thought that was a Jordan card. I think these cards in the PSA 10 case have some value. It's going to be tough to tell though. Only the future will tell. That's a pretty good looking card. Patrick Ewing. There's a David Robinson. Muggsy Bogues. I'm not pulling very hard to lift the cards up either. So they're coming off pretty easily. On most of them. This one looks really good. Surface. I'm not sure what that is. It was underneath the pack. It smells kind of like grease. Ooh, Scottie Pippen. So there's a Scottie Pippen. Off center, top to bottom. Not looking good. Another Scottie Pippen. The corners dinged. Patrick Ewing. Charles Barkley. Dang, this is a good pack. Ooh, John Stockton. Getting doubles. I'm getting doubles already. There's another Hakeem Olajuwon. Dinged up corner though. David Robinson. Looking good. Ooh, it's Karl Malone. Oh, there she is. Finally got one. Not looking too shabby. Surface is good. Top and bottom centering is off, but man, that seems to be the case for all the cards in this box. The corners are sharp. Very sharp corners, no bends. Let's see. No bends in the corners. The back looks good. No whitening. Nah, no surface damage. So this potentially could be a Gem Mint 10 card, guys. This has all the signs of being a Gem Mint 10. In my opinion. Grading is subjective. So, I'm going to sleeve this Jordan up. I'm glad I got one, and the one I did get so far is looking, in my opinion, at least mint 9. Okay, so what the mint 9 selling for around $50. All they gotta do is pay an additional $10 to get it graded, and well, minus the grading fee. I've lost $10. That David Robinson is looking off center too. So you guys can see this is a sweet looking Michael Jordan card. Has the Bulls right here. Awesome photo shot, action shot, and then a portrait down on the bottom left with his name. Topps logo, registered trademark, Topps logo. 1992 Topps Archives, guys. Topps didn't make any Jordan cards until 1992, I believe. There's David Robinson. Another good looking Hakeem Olajuwon. This corner looks a little soft on this one though. Well, there's another nice looking Dennis Rodman. Man, I always think that's a Jordan card. Look how close it kind of looks. Looks kind of similar to the Jordan card. Rodman is looking good. Oh, except for that, there's a little white nick up there. So that could demote it to a PSA 9. So guys, for $50, I think it's a good deal. Even if you get one Jordan, I mean, as long as that Jordan is a mint 9 and you spend the extra $10 to have it graded, in my opinion, you'll at least get your money back. If you sell it for, you know, 50, you dish out an extra 10, so you lose $10 because of the grading fee. However, you know, you could hold and sell it in the future. PSA mint 9 could go up to $100. It all depends on the population reports. How rare are they in high grades? Another David Robinson, Hakeem Olajuwon, Larry Johnson. So I got the Hakeem in this pack and the David Robinson. The Hakeem's looking okay, not bad, front and back. David Robinson's off center, top to bottom. I think they all are actually. We'll see on the other box I break down the road. They're better centered. Tough centering on this one. Another David Robinson. Dennis Rodman. Hot box. This Rodman looks really good though too. Good centering. Corners have a little bit of issue going on, but I'm still going to sleeve them up and potentially try and sell them. Who knows? Last pack, guys. Let's see what we got. Charles Oakley, Larry Johnson. Wow, just one Michael Jordan in this box. All right, guys, here's what I pulled. So you can see I got 3 Scottie Pippen, 2 Charles Barkley, 3 John Stockton, 3 Dennis Rodman, 4 David Robinson, 3 Hakeem Olajuwon, 1 Karl Malone, 1 Patrick Ewing, 1 Isaiah Thomas, actually 2 Patrick Ewing, 2 David Robinson draft picks, 2 Hakeem Olajuwon draft picks, 2 Patrick Ewing draft picks, and just 1 Michael Jordan. All right, guys, here's the breakdown. I got 3 Scottie Pippen, 2 Charles Barkley, 3 John Stockton, 3 Dennis Rodman, 4 David Robinson, 3 Hakeem Olajuwon, and I got 1 Michael Jordan. So imagine if I had 4 Michael Jordan instead of 4 David Robinson, you know? The odds are just whatever they are. They are what they are. I'm happy I got the 1 Jordan. All right, guys, there you go. There you have it. That's what's inside of these 1992 Topps Archive basketball boxes, okay? The top is, the design is confusing because it says 81-91. It doesn't say anywhere on here 1992-93 Topps Archives basketball box. So this is the box you get if you want to pull the Michael Jordan cards, okay? These non-gold, there's no gold stamp on here. That's a Topps Gold, different box. Check out the other video I did if you want the gold. Those are going up, those are way up in value now. So like I said, guys, there's potential to pull up to 4 Michael Jordan cards. So I pulled 4 David Robinsons. I could have easily pulled 4 Michael Jordan cards. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys think $50 was a good investment for this box? I got more of these boxes I'm going to be opening on my channel. Hopefully I get a Michael Jordan hot box with 4 of them in there. So stay tuned for that. I want to thank you all for watching. Thanks for liking the video. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you on the next one, all right?